How Colaz Smith built his Colaz Smith TV empire. If you haven't yet subscribed to Colaz Smith TV, now's the time to hit that button and share the journey. With nearly 200,000 subscribers and millions of views, Colaz Smith's YouTube channel, Colaz Smith, is a vibrant hub of Jamaican lifestyle, food, and community-focused content. Join the adventure by subscribing and sharing his videos to be part of this inspiring story of creativity and impact. Colaz Smith, a Jamaican YouTube star born on November 16, 1991, launched Colaz Smith TV on August 22, 2011, from Portland, Jamaica. His channel began with a humble video featuring his original song, Dream Girl, marking the start of a journey that would resonate with audiences worldwide. Over the past 14 years, Smith has grown his platform to 197,000 subscribers and over 100 million views across 2,330 videos, showcasing his dedication to consistent, engaging content. His focus on authentic vlogs documenting rural Jamaican life, cooking, and community initiatives has built a loyal following. Smith's success stems from his ability to connect with viewers through relatable and culturally rich content. His videos, often centered on lifestyle and food, include popular uploads like cooking rice, fish, and chicken, or preparing traditional dishes such as coconut dumplings and curry beef. One standout video from August 2023, featuring a massive cookout, garnered significant attention, reflecting his knack for creating visually appealing and community-driven content. By sharing the beauty of Jamaica's countryside and its culinary traditions, Smith has carved a niche that resonates globally, particularly with those interested in authentic cultural experiences. Beyond entertainment, Smith's entrepreneurial spirit has been key to his empire's growth. He diversifies his income through YouTube ad revenue, brand collaborations, sponsorships, and merchandise sales, contributing to an estimated net worth of $121,000 to $646,232 as of 2025. His consistent posting schedule, often weekly, ensures steady audience engagement, aligning with YouTube's algorithmic preferences. Smith also optimizes his channel with a professional profile, compelling descriptions, and strategic links to his social media, enhancing his brand's reach. His WhatsApp contact, +1 876 invites direct fan interaction, fostering a tight-knit community. Smith's philanthropy sets him apart as a creator with purpose. He actively gives back to his Jamaican community, from organizing road repairs to supporting the homeless in Kingston. These efforts, highlighted in videos like his road-fixing initiative, showcase his commitment to positive impact, earning him admiration as a role model. His authenticity, combined with a passion for storytelling, has made Colaz Smith TV a beacon of inspiration, proving that dedication, cultural pride, and community focus can build a thriving YouTube empire.